Hi Merle, I'm Joe Johnson, salesperson here at Taylor & Sons Chevrolet. This is the S-10. It's a very nice looking truck. Very clean all the way around. It's got aftermarket fog lights on it. It does have a block heater. It's got decent tires and they are siped, so they should do pretty good. Nice chrome step on both sides. Even the inside, very clean. Push button 4-wheel drive, CD and cassette player. It is a 3-door and does have one jump seat in the back. Even the carpet's just exceptionally good in this truck. It's got a very well done spray and bed liner. Does have the tow package. So you can see it is an extremely clean truck. Merle, if this is something you're interested in, looking for, I would suggest get in touch with me as soon as you can. This is the kind of truck that definitely won't be around long. It's been quite a while since we had one. I'll get this to you as soon as I can. You can get me, the phone number here is 208-263-2138. And again, my name's Joe Johnson. Thanks, Merle.